Welcome to the ultimate donut guide for the lazy Blender artist. If you don't have BlenderKit installed, maybe this video will make you want to use it since it's free. On the BlenderKit extension, type in donut. I will pick the second model, created by Melvin Xavier. Select the plate and zoom in towards it by pressing the comma button. Activate the viewport shading. I will close the BlenderKit search ribbon for now and select the donut and the frosting topping to move them from the center of the plate. I will slightly rotate the donut and afterwards create a duplicate by pressing Shift+D. Afterwards, I will align the duplicated donut on the plate. Select the duplicated frosting model and go to Object, Relations, Make Single User, and select Materials. This will allow us to change the frosting color of the duplicated donut without changing the initial one. That looks awesome. Now let's explore other donuts added to BlenderKit. There is another asset that has directly two donuts on a plate. Or we can add a scan of a real bitten donut, a sprinkled donut scan, or another scan of a simple chocolate donut. Some assets are higher quality than others. As we can see, the modeled ones have better textures than the scans. This was the ultimate donut guide for the lazy Blender artist. If you enjoy this content, consider to subscribe for more.